The question, why do I go off balance, get dizzy upon hearing certain loud-pitched noises? Getting dizzy on hearing loud noises is called the Tulios phenomenon. It can occur in some disease conditions and more common in hearing aid users. In some specific conditions like superior semicircular canal dehiscence, the so-called third window effect, the mechanism of why the dizziness occurs is clear. In other conditions, there is only an educated guess. So you may not get a definitive answer to the why part, but you don't have to live with the problem. There are several ways to deal with it. Just adjusting the new hearing aid, probably reducing the gain a bit, should help avoid the problem considerably.